So I'm repeat once again. These are the 4 instructions. If you learn these 4 instructions, you will be, I think you will be learn all the instructions. Only the 4 pattern is there in 8051. Number 1, move R0, hash 35. Instead of R0, you can put any register like R0 to R7, A, B, anything. Instead of 35, you can put any number. I'm just giving an example, nothing else. So this is the immediate addressing mode. 35H will be immediately stored into the R0. If any data previously stored into the R0, that will be deleted completely. And 35H will be stored. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Means before the instructions, say R0 is XY. I don't know what are the data. But after the instructions, R0 will be 35H. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Next, only the difference. What are the difference between first and second?
Sir, may I?
No, only difference. Only difference.
Oh, the hash.
Hash is not there, right?
Yes, sir.
As hash is not there, so function is totally different. As the hash is not there, then 35H will be act as the address, and the content of that particular address will be copied into the R0. 35H act as the address over here, and the content of 35H will be copied into the R0. Means, sir, before the instructions, this is the number 2 instructions. Before the instructions, say R0 is, say 12H. Say 35H says AB. Okay. So after the instructions, R0 will be 12H, 35H, sorry, R0 will be ABH, and 35H will be ABH. Means these ABH will be copied into the R0. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These instructions also reverse can be done. Move 35, R0. Then the content of R0 will be copied into the particular memory locations. Okay. In that particular case, 12H will be copied into the over here. Means if doesn't have hash, means it will be act as a address. If doesn't have hash, means it will be act as a address.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, move A, R0. What are the? This is number 3. Same as 8085. So before the instructions, accumulator is say 32. R0 is say 56. So after the instructions, accumulator will be 56 and R0 also 56. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the number 3. Means copy the content of R0 into the accumulator. Copy the content of R0 into the accumulator. Copy the content of R0 into the accumulator.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Remember between in this addressing mode, this is called register addressing mode. This is immediate addressing mode. This is a direct addressing mode, and this is the register addressing mode. In this register addressing mode, between R0 to R7 is not possible. Means move R3, R4. It's not a valid instruction. It's an invalid instructions.
Okay.
So how it can be done?
Sir, through a location or accumulator?
Like move A, R4, and then move
R4,
R3,
R4.
R3, R4 is not possible. I already told you, na. So first R4 content I am copied into the accumulator, which is possible. Then accumulator content copied into the
R3.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another one it can be possible.
Yes, sir.
Move R3, 03H. Sorry, 04H. This is the number 1. This is number 2. How, sir?
Then, sir, move R4, 04H.
How's the 04H? Why it's the 04H?
Sir, because that is R4. That's why.
R4 means 04.
No, that is not that. Actually, R4 doesn't mean 04, but as there is no bank, I
As
mean,
there is a no bank is selected, so by
predefined.
default bank 0 is selected.
00 is
So
selected, yes.
That's why it's 04.
bank
Yes,
0 R4 is nothing but a 04H.
04 address. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Bank 0 R4 is nothing but a 04H. So that's why
04H.
04. Another it can be done also. Move 03H, comma 04H.
04.
Okay, sir.
Memory location to memory location direct can be possible also.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next,
Okay, sir.
very interesting number 4. Move A comma at the rate of R0.
Hmm.
Move A comma at the rate of R0. Here the content of R0 act as the address, and the content of that particular address will be copied into the accumulator. Here the content of R0 act as the address, and the content of that particular address will be copied into the accumulator. Means, say before the instructions, accumulator is 12H, R0 is 34H, and 34H has AB. These AB will be copied into the accumulator. Means after the instructions, accumulator will be
AB.
AB, R0 will be 34H, 34H will be
Maybe.
AB. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this, yeah, you can distinguish between all the 4 instructions.
Yes, sir.
There are certain, differences there.
Hmm.
Hash, without
No
hash,
hash.
at the rate of, without at the rate of.
Yes.
Remember, these instructions support, means at the rate of support only R0 and R1.
Okay.
Not support R2 at the rate of R2, at the rate of R3 is not possible. Only R0 and R1 is possible. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Next, we are going into the slide. Already, I think all of you got, get the slide.
Yes, sir.
I already gave
Yes,
it.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you should be, you should be know the function of each instructions. Sir, 8085 before starting the these instructions, 8085. What are the machine cycle and T state? Every machine cycle have a different T state. Am I right? Like
Yes,
output
sir.
fetch require 4,
40
sometimes require
Hmm.
6. Memory read, memory write required 3. IO read, IO write like 3. But in
3.
Yes, sir.
8051, very interesting. All the machine cycle require 12 T state.
Well.
Achha.
All the machine cycle require 12 T state. So if 2 machine cycle, then it will be 24 T state. If 1 machine cycle, then it is a 12 T state.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, sir.
So just these are the type of instructions we have: moving, logical, arithmetical operations, jump, and call instructions. Next, moving instructions, some move instruction like push pop instructions, all are available, which are I'm coming, in this over here. These are the addressing mode, which is support immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, or indirect addressing mode. All are described over here. This is a immediate addressing mode. This is a register addressing mode. This is a direct addressing mode, and this is a indirect addressing mode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, what are the functions? Move A has N means the data will be
Immediate.
N will be copied in
Copied
A.
into the A.
copied into the accumulator. Whatever the data I will be given, it will be immediately stored into the it will be immediately stored into the accumulator. Like
Register for a
move
computer.
A
Yes, sir.
comma A0H. A0H will be automatically stored into the accumulator. Now question is, just see, there is a 0 A0.
Hmm.
Why? Remember one thing in 8051, whenever any number is starting with A to F, any number starting with A to F, then a 0 should be connected before that. Means if it's a 30, so it's a 30. It's a 50, it's a 50. But if it's a A0, then it should be 0 A0.
Okay.
Why? This 0, indicate that after this number, this is not a character, this is a number. It may be character, it may be number, because A in both the cases is there. That's
Okay.
why
Okay.
to distinguish between number and character, we are given a 0. Any number starting with a B, C, D, E, F, then connected a 0. So like 5F, then it's a 5F, no issues. 3D, then it's a 3D. But the most significant bit, if it is a to F, then it
Understand.
should be connected with a 0.
Sir?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
স্যার ওটা যদি 5F না লিখে F5 লিখতাম তখন আমাকে সামনে একটা
0,
0
5,
অ্যাড করতে
0,
হতো
05F,
0F5
05F. Sorry, 0F5, 0F5.
0F5 আচ্ছা
Like you see, RR has N. So again, it's the 0A0. DPTR is a 16-bit register. I already told yesterday that DPTR also dividing into the two part. One is a DPH, another is DPL. This is the only 16-bit register which point the external memory locations. Right?
Yes, sir.
In a
Okay.
SFR register, if you can recall, then you will be recall that is a DPH and DPL. Together is called DPTR.
Yes, sir.
So DPTR is a 16-bit register because DPH is 8-bit, DPL is 8-bit, so 8-bit plus 8-bit is a 16-bit. So this is a N, but this is a double N. Double N means 8-bit and 8-bit is a 16-bit.
16 bit
16-bit number.
16-bit.
So just see, DPTR comma has 1, 2, 3, 4, not connected 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is not given. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 because there's a number starting with a number.
স্যার আমার একটা কোশ্চেন আছে
Yeah,
স্যার এখানে টি স্টেট মানে ওটা 12 টি স্টেট
12 pre-state.
সাইকেল পার টি স্টেট নাকি ওটা
Huh? One
Right.
cycle required, 12 pre-state required.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
So DPTR and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a how many what are the data 1, 2, 3, 4 will be stored into the DPTR registers, right? This is
Yes.
an example
Yes, sir.
of number 1. According to my number 1, that is a hash 35. Am I right?
ইয়েস স্যার
Immediate
That's
addressing.
why I'm explaining you the first these 4. If you are able to understand, so all the instructions will be very clear. Move A comma RR or RR comma A. So all of you know this is the example of number 3.
Yes, sir.
But just read this one. It's not possible to move the data between R0 to R7 using register addressing mode. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Whatever I say, move R3 comma R4 is not possible. It can be
Hmm.
possible by using A or using memory.
Address.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, this one. What is the
Immediate
function of
addressing.
this one? হ্যাঁ বলুন হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে একদম ডান থ্যাংক ইউ এখনো শুরু করিনি আমি একটা ইয়েতে আছি ক্লাসে আছি করে তবে করছি move A comma address, move address comma A. What are the functions? Means move A comma 35H or move 35H comma A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the example of number just like number 2.
Immediate addressing mode.
All are number 2,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Next, coming into the next. Move at the rate of RP. RP is only R0 and R1. It's in this mode only R0 and R1 register is used. Okay. R0 and R1 छोड़ के ये नहीं हो सकता. It's only used for R0 and R1. At the rate of R2 is not possible. So what are the function of these one? Say move move at the rate of R0 comma hash 80. What are the functions?
Hash 80 will be stored in
Not
the
hash 80.
memory.
80 will be stored.
Sorry, 80. Sorry, 80 will be stored in the memory location specified by the data of R0.
Specified stored in the R0 means the address stored in the R0. Here
R0,
R0 used as a pointer register and the content of that particular memory locations will be stored by 80. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, what are the function of this one? Move address comma at the rate of RP. This one.
The data which is stored in the address that is stored in R1 will be stored in 80H.
Means the content of the particular memory location which is located by R1
Yes.
will be stored into 80H memory
80.
locations. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the next move C. It's a very important instruction. So move C stand for code memory. C stand for code memory. Here there are two types of memory. One is a program memory, another is a data memory. Program memory is nothing but a code memory. So C is a code memory. Okay, this is just C code memory read means here this comma should not be there. Move A plus DPTR. Move A plus DPTR. So what are the functions of move A comma A plus DPTR? The content of DPTR and content of accumulator will be added together. Content of A and content of DPTR will be added together. Say DPTR content is 1000H, right? Say accumulator content is 30H. Adding these two, 1030. The content of that particular memory location, say the content of particular memory locations is AB, 1030H memory locations. This AB will be coming into the accumulator. Means here the content of accumulator and content of DPTR are added together because you see the plus symbol is there. Then the content of that particular memory locations will be copied into the accumulator.
Set a question আছে
বলো
বলছি এখানে @a ইউজ করা হয়েছে শুধু a ইউজ করলে কি হতো না
শুধু
শুধু যদি a প্লাস dptr করতাম
@ না করলে মেমরি লোকেশনের কন্টেন্ট যাবে কি করে
আচ্ছা
@ what is the meaning of @ of means memory locations content will be copied
কন্টেন্টটা ওকে ঠিক আছে
and the memory location content always 8 bit, that's why it's bit. Then DPTR is replaced by PC. PC is nothing but a program counter. PC is nothing but a program counter. So program counter is just replaced by DPTR by PC. Program counter and accumulator content added together, and the content of that particular memory locations will be copied into the accumulator. Okay. Next, move X. You can see this kind of instructions available also in a move, and this is a move X. Move X at the rate of RP comma A, move X at the rate of A comma RP means if you are going into back, just see move at the rate of RP comma A, move A comma at the rate of RP, but same instructions over here only replaces move is replaced by X. So when we will be using the X and when we will be using the move, it's a very important questions. When the content of RP means either R0 or R1, right?
R1. Yes, sir.
When the content of RP within this range 00 to 7F, then it's the move instructions. Okay. When the content of RP is 80 to FF, then it's a move instruction. In this slide, there is a mistake. It should not be 7F. It should be 8F. I already told some mistakes is there in from the beginning. I am not till now. I am not eliminating those. It should be
Okay, sir.
move at the rate of hash 8F. Means the
Okay,
content
sir.
of RP should be within this range 802FF. Okay? 80
Okay,
can be
sir.
possible.
Note করে নিচ্ছি।
Okay, sir.
So move used only 0027F, MoveX used only 802. What are the meaning of X? X stand for external memory. X stand for external memory. What are the internal RAM? What are the internal RAM? Size of internal RAM in 8051? Tell me.
4K into 8.
Huh?
4K into 8.
Good. 128 byte.
128 bit.
Means 002 7F with respect to the locations. Right?
Hmm.
So move means for internal memory only. So that's why the content of RP if 0027F, then move instructions will be used. And above 7F means 802FF. It's nothing but a external memory. It's nothing but a external memory. So external memory means it's a 802FF. So 802FF is a MoveX. Clear?
Hmm.
So that is the functions. XCH is the exchange between A and RR. Means say A is a 12 and RR means say R5 is 34. So after the instructions, A will be 34, R5 will be 12. RR means R0 to R7 any register. So I am assuming this is R5. So if this is the data, so after the instruction it will be 34 and 12 means exchange between these two. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt you have?
No,
স্যার
sir.
এখানে আর আর এটা কোনো R0 R4 এর মধ্যে এক্সচেঞ্জ করতে পারি?
না আর এখনো তো নেই সেরকম ইনস্ট্রাকশন, যা দেওয়া আছে তাই।
ওকে ওকে ঠিক আছে।
যা দেওয়া আছে তাই। Next, what are the functions of the third one? What are the functions of third one? What are the functions of third one?
The third one হচ্ছে
XCH A comma at the rate of R0.
R0.
What are the function of at the rate of?
স্যার বলবো
বলো।
Memory.
R0 তে যে ডাটাটা স্টোর আছে বা কন্টেন্টটা আছে সেই অ্যাড্রেসে যে কন্টেন্টটা আছে আর অ্যাকুমুলেটরের যে কন্টেন্ট আছে সেই দুটো এক্সচেঞ্জ হবে।
Just assuming the content of R0 is 12. In a 12H memory location, it's a AB, and accumulator is CD. So these CD and AB will be exchanged together.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So after the instructions, R0 will be 12, 12H will be CD, and accumulator will be AB. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, if
Yes,
it's
sir.
a XCHD, if it's a XCHD means next instructions, then it will be exchange only the lower nibble, this one and this one, means the number will be like AD and number will be CB. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then B and D will be interchange. Only lower nibble will be interchange. This is XCHD.
Okay,
Exchange
sir.
the lower nibble.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next, push pop. What are the function of push? Data will be stored into the stack. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
But before push, stack pointer should be
Before
increment or decrement?
Decrement by 1.
Decrement by 1.
হ্যাঁ
No, it's a increment by 1. Decrement in 8085 in 8086.
আচ্ছা
8051 always it's a increment.
Increment.
8086 এর decrement by 2 তো in
2. But over here increment
1
1. That's why it's a 07 because it will be starting from storing the
08.
data to the 08 means the bank 1.
yes sir.
So push add and pop add means address. Whatever the address you will be given, the content of that particular address will be pushed into the stack. Okay,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
just going into the details. Just see, this is the example. This is nothing but a program. So after the instructions move R6, #25, which bank is selected by default?
bank 0
Bank 0 is selected. So
Bank
R6
0,
of
yes,
bank
sir.
0 means which locations?
06
06H. So R6 is 25H means 06H has 06H memory location has 25H.
hmm.
So push 6 with the help of these instructions. What will be happen? Stack pointer by default is 07H. Stack pointer will be 08H and 25H will be stored into the 08H memory location after push 6. Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
R1 will be 12H means in a memory location 1H has the value 12H.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So whenever we are using the push 1, what will be happen? In stack pointer again incremented by 1. So stack
One.
pointer 08 to 09 and 12H will be stored.
yes sir.
Again
Yes.
push 4 means it will be F3
Hmm.
and these F3 again stack pointer will be incremented by 1. So that is 09 to 0A and over here it is a F3 will be copied. As
F3.
04H is the locations. Okay, it's clear to everyone.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, that will be pop. Pop, there is a mistake. It should not be pop 5. It should be pop 4. It should be pop 1, and it should be pop 6.
Okay.
4, 1, and 6.
One, six.
So this is a stack. First, this data will be copied into the 04H memory locations. Will be copied into the 04H memory location, and stack pointer will be decremented by 1 from 0B to 0A. This data will be copied into the 04H memory location after pop 4.
Hmm.
Okay,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
and this is F9. Okay. Next, if I'm telling about again after pop 1, so these F9 will be copied into the 01H memory location as well as this stack pointer will be 0A to 09. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Again, this 76H will be copied into the 06H memory locations and stack pointer also decremented by 1, that is SP 09 to 08.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
yes sir.
This push and pop operations. Move C, B. So first my question is, there is any register of C?
No.
C register আমি কোথাও পড়িয়েছি?
8085 এ BC রেজিস্টার পেয়ার ছিল
এইখানে 8051 আমি পড়িয়েছি, answer is no. SFR
No.
register, there is a no C register. So C
Hmm.
here treated as a carry flag only.
Hmm.
C here treated as a carry flag only. Move C is nothing but a treated as a carry flag only. So C, 75H or whatever it is, this 75H treated as also a bit address, not a byte address. This is a bit address. So how microcontroller will be understand? Say sometime we are using like move A, 35H. Sometime we are using move C, 35H. What are the difference? Here 8-bit data will be copied from 35H memory location to accumulator. But here this is a byte address. This is a byte address, but this is a bit address. But how microcontroller will be understood? This is a byte address or bit address? Depend upon this one. This is a 8-bit register, accumulator. Yes, so that will be treated
Yes,
as a
sir.
byte address.
Hmm.
This is a 8-bit address, 8-bit register. Answer is no.
No.
The carry flag, only single bit. So
Ah.
then it will be treated as a bit address. Bit address where you learn, that is 00 to 7F, between 20 to 2F. If I am talking about the 20 to 2F, every memory location have a bit address. If you recall, then you will be get, this is the bit address, 20 to 2F, and you can get 00 to 7F bit address, right? In every
Yes, sir.
bit address, you
Yes,
can
sir.
store only single bit, either 0 or 1. Only single bit you can store, 0 or 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 7FH here treated as a bit address. This 7FH content will be copied into the carry flag. Carry flag content will be copied into the 7FH. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, these are the homework. You should be write down this program. Okay. As slide is already given to you, so you have the questions. You just remember the slide number.
ওকে
Slide number কত?
সেটা তোমরা দেখে নাও কত বাবা।
আচ্ছা,
দেখে নিবি, ওটা তো বোঝা যাচ্ছে।
These are the homework.
Okay, sir.
Next,
ওকে স্যার।
ANL, A comma has N. This is the logical AND operations. Logical AND operations means, say, ANL, A comma has, say, 0FH. What are the functions? Say before the instructions. Before the instructions. Before the instructions, say accumulator is say AB. So AB means 10101011 10101011. 0F means 0000 1111 110 1110 sorry 1111 0 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, these are the result. Hello, this is the result. I'm in class. Is it clear? 111
Yes, sir.
111
Yes, sir.
100 111. So this is the number. So this is 0, this is B. So after the instructions, accumulator will be 0B. So it's a
0.
clear the higher nibble, something like that. You know, whatever I am discussing 8085 also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain me the number 4?
@RP. হ্যাঁ স্যার বলবো।
আর জিরোর যে কন্টেন্টটা
হ্যাঁ,
ওটা অ্যাকুমুলেটরে কপি হবে
না
না না
কপির প্রশ্নই নেই এখানে, কপি আসছেই না। এনএল তো এন্ড অপারেশন,
Sir.
কি মুভ নাকি?
স্যার বলবো।
বলো।
প্রথমে তো হচ্ছে @RP, সেটার মানে হবে 80 যাই হোক না কেন, সেটার মানে হচ্ছে the content of the specific memory location that is stored in RP.
Stored in
RP বা R0 R0 এর যে কন্টেন্টটা, মানে যে মেমরি লোকেশনটা ওখানে রাখা আছে সেইটার যে কন্টেন্ট সেটা, আর এ অ্যাকুমুলেটরের যে কন্টেন্ট, সেই দুটোর মধ্যে এন্ড অপারেশন।
সেগুলোর মধ্যে এন্ড অপারেশন
হ্যাঁ,
means the content of particular memory location which is located by R0 logical and with the accumulator, and after that store the result into the accumulator.
অ্যাকুমুলেটর অবভিয়াসলি।
right?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Next, going into the next.
স্যার আপনার মিউট হয়ে গেছে
Oh, sorry. Next, we are going into the next, ORL. All are ORL. Means OR operation, logical OR. Logical OR means, say 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 means AF. Result is AF. Okay.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Next is XRL, means XOR gate. Okay, same function, only XRL, XOR gate. Okay,
Hmm.
is it clear?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Yes, sir.
Next, CLRA, clear accumulator. Before the instruction, whatever the data, but after the instruction, accumulator should be 0.
Okay.
Before the instruction, in the accumulator may be any value, but after the instruction, accumulator should be 0. Next, CPLA. What are the functions of CPLA? Complement accumulator, one's complement of accumulator. Say accumulator is AA, means 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So after CPLA means 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 means 55H. So after the instructions, accumulator will be 55H. Okay,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
just complement, one's complement.
Okay, sir.
Next, this is a beat operation. All are beat operation. Beat operations mean ANL C, B means logical and between carry flag and the particular beat address, and store the result into the B. Similarly, ORL C, B. Similarly, CPLC means nothing but a complement carry flag. CPLB means complement beat address. CLRC means clear the carry flag. CLRB means clear the beat address. SetBC means after the instruction carry flag should be 1. SetBB means after the instruction it should be 1. Yesterday we are using setB PSW.3, setB PSW.4 means these instruction, the last instruction. Is it clear?
ইয়েস স্যার
Next, what are the functions of ANL C, B? C, B is done. ANL C, /B. First, complement the beat address. First, complement the beat address. Then that particular, complement data are logical and with carry flag.
Carry flag.
Logical and with carry flag. Okay,
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
and it will be stored. Is it clear to all of you?
হ্যাঁ স্যার
So this is nothing but a ANL C, /B, and another is ORL C, /B. ORL C, /B. The functions of ORL C, /B is
Slash B.
logical or between the carry flag and the content of particular memory location with the complement of that. Means, say in the example ORL C, /80H, 80H content first complement. If 0 then 1, if 1 is 0, then whatever the complement data, that will be
Or operation.
or operation with the carry flag, and
Carry
store
flag.
the result into the carry flag.
Carry flag.
Next, RLA. This is a rotate. Rotate A register 1 bit position through left to right, right to left. And RLC is nothing but a with carry.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, RR. Similarly, RRC.
RRC.
Next is a very important swap A. Swap A is a very important instructions. Say before the instructions is accumulator is AB. So after the instructions, accumulator will be BA. just interchange the nibble. A will be in the positions of B and B will be positions of A. AB will be become a BA. If CD, then DC. If 56, then it will be 65. Just interchange the nibble.
Interchange. Okay.
Higher nibble will be coming into the lower nibble and lower nibble coming into the higher nibble. INCA, INCRR, INC address, INC at the rate of RP, INC DPTR, all are incremented by 1. INCA is nothing but A is equal to A plus 1. A is equal to A plus 1. Okay.
Hmm.
Next, there is a DEC. Remember, DEC DPTR is not possible. I will be going to the next slide, but INC increment is possible, but decrement of DPTR is not possible. So it's a DEC DPTR, right?
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
DEC DPTR is not there, rest all of the instructions is there. It's the decrement. A is equal to A minus 1. Next, address. Address is add. Add A comma hash n means add the content of accumulator with the particular data and store the result into the accumulator.
Hmm.
It's a very simple one. So what are the
Yes, sir.
functions of last one?
So may I?
Yeah.
The data of the memory location which is stored in RP will get added with the data of accumulator and will be stored in the accumulator.
Store the result in accumulator.
Result in accumulator.
Means the content of particular memory location which is located by RP are added with the accumulator and store the result into the accumulator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is ADDC. Means A is equal to A plus N plus CY. CY is nothing but a carry flag.
Okay.
Only difference, BBS is add and this is nothing but a ADDC. Okay. There is a no sub instructions in 8051. All are SUBB instructions. Like in additions, there is a 2 instructions, ADD and ADDC. Right?
Hmm.
Means add and add with carry. But sub always sub with borrow. Means say SUBB A comma hash n. What does it mean? A is equal to A minus N minus CY. CY means over here borrow. I'm going into the next slide. SUBB. There is a no instruction of sub. All are SUBB instruction. Always subtract with the borrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication and division operations. MUL AB. MUL AB. What are the functions? MUL AB is nothing but A into B. Okay. Maybe result X X Y Y. Right? Or you can say like A B C D. Okay. This CD will be stored into the accumulator. This AB will be stored into the B registers. Means higher byte of result will be stored into the B register, lower byte of result will be stored into the accumulator.
Okay.
Okay. Similarly, DIVAB means A is divided by B. Okay.
Hmm.
Then there is a quotient part and there is a remainder part. Okay. Say remainder is X and result is say Y. This Y coming into the accumulator. This X will be coming into the B register.
Register.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
স্যার একটা কোয়েশ্চেন আছে।
বলো।
হ্যাঁ বলছি অন্যান্য প্রোগ্রাম গুলোতে যেরকম মানে একটু গ্যাপ দেওয়া থাকে বা একটা কমা দেওয়া থাকে এখানে সেরকম নেই।
নেই।
একেবারে
A comma B বলছো তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
হ্যাঁ, a comma b অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখানে তুমি যখন লিখবে তখন বুঝতে পারবে b mean b as a you cannot use b directly, b used as a memory locations, 80h memory locations. Whenever I am write the program, you will be see we are not generating the hex code over here in 8051. Here we have the assembler. In assembler we are write down the program and it will be convert the hex code.
ওকে
ওকে, এই যে ইন 8085 আমরা কি করেছিলাম, একটা এই ইয়ে থেকে একটা চার্ট থেকে দেখে আমরা হেক্স কোড গুলো লিখেছিলাম,
হ্যাঁ স্যার
কিন্তু এখানে আমরা একটা অ্যাসেম্বলার আছে, নেটে পাওয়া যায় অনেক ধরনের অ্যাসেম্বলার, আমার কাছেও আছে, কিনতেও পাওয়া যায়। আমি অ্যাসেম্বলারটা দিয়ে দেবো এই প্রোগ্রামে, ইউ ক্যান রাইট ডাউন, দেন আফটার দ্যাট automatically hex code will be generated. So if any problem, it will be shown to you.
ওকে
Like C. Next is a JC, relative address. Relative address, you know, I already explained you the relative address. Okay, from tomorrow I will be explaining the jump instructions. Today I am
ওকে স্যার
it's too much, otherwise you will not be take. Another